I'll be the first to admit it. I used to look at the boxes for a window AC and a portable unit, see the same specs, and figure they just perform exactly the same. But those numbers are only half the story. If you're choosing between the two, you need to understand how the design actually changes the cooling you feel in the room. A window unit mounts directly in the window frame, keeping the hot components, including the compressor, on the outside. Because the heat is dumped straight into the outdoor air, the unit is able to deliver close to its full rated cooling capacity. Portables work a little differently. The entire unit sits inside your room, compressor and all. So while it's trying to cool the space, it also is generating heat right back into it. Then there's the exhaust hose. It vents hot air outside, but because it runs through the room and can reach 110 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it radiates heat back into the space. Most portables use a single hose design. The unit pulls air from your room, cools some of it, and pushes the rest, along with the heat from the compressor, out through that one hose. This constant exhaust creates negative pressure, which forces warm air to leak in through gaps around doors and windows to replace what's being lost. Because the unit is essentially fighting against its own vacuum, you end up with about 30% less cooling than the rated capacity. Dual hose portables attempt to fix this by using one hose to pull in outside air to cool the condenser and a second hose to exhaust the heat. This prevents the negative pressure problem, and independent tests show dual hose units cool rooms up to 50% faster than single hose models. Even so, they still can't match a window unit, which does not have an exhaust hose and avoids the cycle entirely. This is why, even when both units have the same BTU rating, the window unit consistently delivers more cooling. The difference in cooling speed tells a similar story. A window unit can drop your room's temperature by 10 degrees Fahrenheit in about 15 minutes. A portable unit takes at least 20 minutes just to drop 5 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's a noticeable difference when you're trying to get comfortable quickly. Then there is a hard ceiling on how much cooling each type can deliver. The highest capacity units reach about 35,000 BTU, which is more than twice the 14,000 BTU maximum for portables. That means a window unit can cool a space up to 2,700 square feet, while portables max around 775 square feet. If you're cooling a large room or an open plan area, a portable simply won't have the power to keep up.